Hello friends, welcome to 5 Stack. This is Vivo S1 Pro smartphone. In this video, you'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in your phone Vivo S1 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone. Click here for camera. Now click on more option. Here select SLO option here. Now start recording your video. I started video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. I stop the video. Now I play the video. See the action in video. It's very slow. So in this way, you can easily take a slow motion video in your phone Vivo S1 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.